Hello, Eclipse Familia. I put this short video together to show you guys some of the cool things we're going to be able to do with the IPBR4VZ when it gets here in the next month or two. The IPBR4VZ is going to be our first official facial recognition camera. I know we're all very excited about that. And I want to show you guys how awesome this thing is going to interface with some of our existing signature series recorders. So here we are. I have a few normal face detection events loaded up in the smart preview bar. Wait. Hold on. You guys do know we have a smart preview bar in all our signature series recorders, right? I mean, of course you do. I'm sure you do. But as a quick reminder, I want you guys to know that we can turn on this smart preview bar in the live view screen of our recorders. And after we do that, every time one of our analytic events gets tripped, so when someone crosses one of the lines we drew or enters into one of these areas that we drew, the NVR will go ahead and place a snapshot of that event here on this preview bar, which makes it very convenient for us to be able to keep an eye on which of our analytics were triggered, and we can actually initiate playback right from this screen. But let's get back to our facial recognition stuff. Here I am in playback that I initiated by clicking on a face detection thumbnail from the preview bar. And the difference here is that I can take advantage of this screen to add the face that was detected to the system database. After I add the face, we'll see that from here on out, the smart preview thumbnail will identify me by the name I provided and it'll stop calling me a stranger. All right, let's get into the NVR menu and see what else we can do with this face recognition camera. If I come here to our VCA section, I'll find this list management section where I can see what faces I have added to the database. I can go ahead and make edits from here if I need to. We can do basic stuff here, add a card ID, put in the birth date, assign a gender. We also have a search box here to make it easier to go right to the user you're looking to add info for. All right, so the next thing we'll check out here is playback. If we go into VCA playback, we'll see that now we can take advantage of face comparison search. From here, we can start a search that'll show us every face that the camera saw and recognized, or the flip side, we can search for every face that was not recognized by the camera. Now, once we have these results pulled up, you'll notice that this interface is pretty slick. Every time I click on one of these thumbnails, the preview pic here on the right-hand side will update, and if I click on it, it'll let me do a instant playback, basically, of the moment that triggered the event that generated the thumbnail. From here, we can also add a face to the database, just like we did from our smart preview bar in live view mode. And we can even do a search by name to see every time someone like this intruder here passed in front of our face recognition cameras. One last thing. Some of our newer signature series recorders also include a new face recognition interface that's located on the status bar of the live screen. Now, I'll admit, I haven't thought of a very good use for this yet. So if you guys can think of some decent applications for this futuristic wanted poster thingy, let me know so I can include them in a future video.